Can you tell if a car is speeding, slowing, or stopped just from one line? Let's find out. A flat horizontal line means constant velocity. The object moves at the same speed, no acceleration. Slope going up means acceleration, getting faster. Slope going down means deceleration, slowing down. Students often confuse this. A line at zero velocity means the object is stationary, completely stopped. Remember, flat means steady, up means faster, down means slower, zero means stopped. That's your exam cheat sheet. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.